In this video, we will go over the new vacation home booking template. Go to Formidable Applications and scroll down to the multi-property booking system. Install it and open it. You will see 3 forms. The most important forms are the Add a Bookable Property form, where, as the name suggests, you will add all of your properties, and the Book a Property form, which people will fill out once they click on the Book Now button. So let's go ahead and add a new entry to our property form. Open the form, click on Entries, and add New Entry. Fill out the details, add or remove any features, and then submit the form. Make sure that your images have a square aspect ratio. Then go to Views and open the main Book a Vacation Home view. Here we can adjust number of guests, the price range, and filter by any features. Keep in mind, however, that with every search, the filters reset. When you click on Book Now, it takes you to the booking form for you to complete the booking. In the next video, we will add a date range filter so that people can pick check-in and check-out dates. Subscribe so you don't miss it.